Have you ever thought that you don't make sense when you speak? That you can't express yourself clearly? What you think is what you speak. Therefore, if your thinking is messy, if your thoughts are not well organized, obviously your speaking and your speech will also be messy and disorganized. So, what can you do to improve the way you communicate, the way you speak, so people can understand you better and you feel that you are communicating clearly?
Yes!
There are two things that you have to do in order to achieve a perfect speech. Number one is reading. When you read, you improve your vocabulary. When you read, you also improve your sentence structure. And at the same time, when you read, you get new ideas and also how to organize those ideas. When can you read and how much can you read? Well, it's up to you when you decide to read, but you should be reading at least 5 to 10 pages every day. What can you read? What do you like reading? Do you like reading business or literature, fiction, non-fiction? Just read 5 to 10 pages every day. Number two is writing. Writing is going to help you understand how your ideas are organized in your head. So write them and then analyze what you have written. Are the ideas relevant? Are they organized in a cohesive and clear way? Well, if they're not, you need to organize them. Discard or eliminate the ones that are not good and organize the ones that you like in a way that they are cohesive and coherent with the message you are talking about. When can you write and what can you write about? You can write during your lunchtime, maybe before you go to bed. And what can you write about? Write about conversations that you have had during that day or conversations that you would like to have in the future. Write about them. How much do you need to write? You need to write at least 1 page. There are 2 ways in which writing is going to help you. First one is the unconscious writing. Unconscious writing is about writing whatever pops into your head in connection with a specific topic. After that, you're gonna move on to the conscious writing. Conscious writing is about analyzing what you have written and deciding what sentences and what ideas are good and which ones are not. Then you can add more sentences, more ideas. You can incorporate some more vocabulary. You can incorporate some more specific sentence structures such as conditionals or relative clauses. Remember, if you want to articulate your thoughts correctly, first you need to organize them correctly in your head. If you follow these steps, you are training your brain to think in English without thinking. The more you do this, the better you get at it. Remember, read a lot and write a lot.